TXTOmedia presents How to Use the Mobile Video App. Presented by Wouter Magdenburg.
Well, today we show you how you can actually film using your mobile phone and the video creation cloud. So here we first make a work order. We have a topic here, we are in the editor. We actually bring all the different pictures, images or placeholders that we want to replace for video fragments to a work order. So we create a work order. You see that actually happening now. I'm selecting here a few of these existing images that came to the platform via the CCMS. Well, you see the work order. Let's assign it to somebody. So here that's more or less the recipe of all the different steps with images. Let's assign it. There it goes. It actually is now connecting to an app which is logged in with that email address. So that's actually the starting point. So that's now on its way to somebody's iPhone in this case. And you still see that this topic has pictures only. And now we actually open that app. So this is the app opened by that account. And you now actually see your working order. So you see the text. You can listen to the text. And you see these pictures. But now you can actually go to the camera, you activate the camera and you actually film. So now actually I'm filming, you see a little bar.
Equipment before rebuilding.
That's a little fragment. And the next fragment, let me film a few more. Same story.
Mark valve manifold with position of M1 and M2 for reinstallation.
And let me continue this way.
Check for leakage and clean the equipment.
No. Final one, it's now processing the work order. So it's saving it, and actually you saw the timing. I think it's too small, but you also saw a little red bar stating the time that you at least needed to film and some slack per fragment for making the editing possible in multiple languages. But what it now actually did is, it processed everything, it stores it, but it is now sending back all these results to the cloud. And here, this is what you see. So there are 8 pictures. And soon you will see that those pictures, it's already happening, are getting replaced by those video fragments. There are now 2 fragments in the system recognized, 3, etc. Well, we'll process them one by one. This is real time, by the way. And as soon as everything is done, you see all the pictures are now replaced by your activity on the app. You also see that here, the work order is done, finished. I can now actually see all these fragments also in the cloud, in your video creation cloud. And you can actually start rendering the live action video if you like.
TXTOmedia, the video automation company.